Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial training. Have you ever wished to make money with Google AdMob, but because you don't have a programming skill to develop a mobile application? Well, never to worry, because this video course is for you. Now, on this course, what you will be learning is number one, how to get a free Google AdMob account, how you can sign up with Google AdMob account and get verified in just few minutes. Now the second thing on this video course will be on how to create ads unit for your mobile application. And the third thing you will learn from this video is how to create an app without having any programming skill. And the fourth thing you will learn from this video is on how to add your ads unit to your app. And the next thing you will also learn from this video is how to get a Google Play Store developer account where you post your ads and get installed and make your money. And the next thing you will learn from this video is how to publish your app to Google Play Store. And the last thing is on how to get more than 500 installed in 7 days. I will show you some secret where you can have installed people to install your app, and from there on how you can make a lot of money. What's up guys, welcome back. So the first part of this course, we will be learning how to open a Google account first and then use it to create an AdSense account before getting an AdMob account. So you log into your Gmail. For those of us that already have a Gmail account, you don't need to have a new one. For those of us that have a Google AdSense account, you don't need to create another AdSense account. For those of us that don't have AdSense account but have a Gmail account, first of all, you create a Gmail account. I don't need to tell you how to create a Gmail account. You go to your create account here. Now you fill in this information, your first name, your last name, choose a username for your Gmail, choose a password, and go to the next step. You follow the instruction and create a Gmail account. I have a Gmail account already created, so I am going to log into my account and show you how to get an AdSense account where you will use in signing up your AdMob account. Alright, if you've succeeded in signing up, let me give you tips. Before I continue this video, I want you to understand some things. Without a Google AdSense account, you cannot have AdMob account. Now the reason why it's so is because Google AdMob, just like YouTube, processes all the payment through Google AdSense. A lot of people have difficulties getting AdSense account, but I will show you a secret how to get AdSense account in just few minutes. Now after getting your AdSense account, you now proceed to have your AdMob account. First of all, you log into youtube.com. I'm already logged into youtube.com, logging in with the new Gmail account that have just been created. So on my upper left here, I'm gonna create here. You go to your Creator Studio. Okay, so from Creator Studio, this is a new YouTube account. I know a lot of us will be wondering why I'm talking about YouTube here when I have AdMob course. I'm going to show you a simple trick how to get AdSense account using YouTube. But remember, without AdSense account, you can't have AdMob. So here from YouTube, I'm creating an AdSense account. You don't really have to get a working YouTube account. All what you are doing is only for you to get AdSense account. So first of all, you create a channel. If you come to channel here, monetization, YouTube says create a channel before signing up for monetization. So first of all, what we need to do, we click on create a channel. Creating a channel, you can name your channel anyhow you want to name your channel, and then create. Now after creating your channel, here monetization have been enabled. You can see become a partner through monetization by displaying ads on your video. But remember, we are not doing YouTube. We are only here on YouTube just to get AdSense account. So from here you enable your monetization. So from here, account status, monetization is enabled. So the first thing you need to do is to apply for monetization from YouTube. This is where Google AdSense account will be given to you. So we start, okay, as you can see on my screen, apply for monetization, accept. So the next thing, you will see the number 2 option here which says sign up for AdSense. Create a new AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to get paid. Now you click on start. So here you come to next. And then sign in with the email that was created. So as you can see on my screen, I am now trying to apply for Google AdSense account. Here we are. You can see this Google AdSense sign up. Your website URL here becomes your YouTube channel. So you go ahead and accept all these. Right, select your country of territory. So here I'm just gonna select any country here, accept their terms and conditions, and then create an account. Here we are. We now have a Google AdSense account in just few minutes. So you can proceed in adding up your payment details. You can add up your address here. Okay, you can go ahead, add your address, add your city here, your postal code, you put in your state, or you can provide a phone number for that. Alright, I'm just putting random numbers, so you go ahead and submit your payment details. Now redirecting you to your host, that is YouTube, because you were using YouTube to apply for AdSense, but we are not using YouTube anymore. So the next thing we are going to do here is for us to log in to the AdSense. Okay, please bear with me, the network. Okay, so here we sign into the AdSense that is just created. So this is another trick on how to get an AdSense account within few minutes, and then use your AdSense account to sign up with AdMob. Alright, so here we have our AdSense. This usually takes less than a day, but in some cases it can take a bit longer. We are working on setting up your account. Now you go ahead from here and apply with AdMob.com. Okay, from AdMob you'll be asked to log in to your Google account. You can go ahead and save that. All right. Here we are under Google AdMob. So you can see welcome to Google AdMob, Sam Walton. And here you accept their terms and agree to sign up with them. Alright, from here you can accept everything here and then continue to AdMob. Alright guys, here we are. We have our AdMob ready. Okay, so the next video I'm gonna show you how to create your I'm gonna show you how to integrate your ads unit to your app after you create your application. So that is it guys, we have our Google AdMob account ready. See you on the next video. What's up guys, welcome back. Now the next video you're gonna talk about how you will create your ads unit where you'll be using with your mobile application. Now before I continue this video, let me give you an overview about what ads unit is all about. Ads unit, it's a specific unit, a specific identity that makes Google to track your earnings, all the earnings, the clicks, the impressions that are coming from your mobile application. With that ad unit, they will be able to track that the adverts, the clicks, and the revenue is being directed to you. So that is all I can explain about ad unit, but for now it's not really necessary. So stick to this video while I show you how to create your ad unit. After logging into your AdMob account, I have my AdMob account here on the screen, and you can see, you go to your app here. Here you have Add App. Okay, you will see this screen. Have you published your app on Google Play or the App Store? You just go ahead and say no. Now, why we are doing so, we are coming to creating of our apps. Now we can go ahead to create the ads unit. By the time we create our app, I'm going to show you how you will integrate this ads unit into your app. So let us work on app example. I'm going to show you how to create a simple flashlight application. Okay, so I'm going to name my app here Flashlight, and the platform is Android. Remember what we are doing, everything we are doing about this tutorial has to do with Android application. So you choose your platform as Android and then you add it. Here you can see the congrats, your app has been added to AdMob. Next step, number one, make a note of your new app ID. You need to add it to your app source code to run AdMob. That is the next thing we are going to do on this video, how to add your ad unit to your app after we finish creating our mobile application. So the second thing here is create an ad unit to display ads in your app. Then the third thing here, if your app is published to Google Play or the App Store, remember to come back to link your app. So let's go ahead and create our ad unit by clicking next. So by the time you click next, it will now take you to this section here where you see banner, interstitial, rewarded. Now banner ad are the smallest ads that displays on mobile application if you are using it, and the interstitial ad comes on the full screen display on your mobile phone, and the rewarded video ads are the ads that have to do with 10, 5, sometimes 20-second video. Okay, so what we are doing, we are only concentrating on the banner ad and the interstitial ad. So we're going to create a banner ad by selecting here ad format. We are creating banner ad unit name. You can go ahead and put anything you wish. So I just put flash light banner and then create ad unit. Ad unit successfully created. So this is what we're gonna need after creating our app, this ad unit. But since we are coming back here, we can go ahead and click on done. So on your ads unit, you can see flashlight banner has been added to your ads unit. So the next step is for you to add another ad unit. This time around, it's gonna be interstitial. You click select the ads unit name. You can go ahead and name anything you wish to name it. All right, so you go ahead and create ad unit. Like we said, this also is what you need to input in your mobile application after we create it. So you go ahead and click done. From here, you can see we have both the flashlight banner ads unit and the enter unit. So from here we're gonna copy it from here and put it in our application. All right, that's how you create your app unit. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video. What's up guys, welcome back. On this video we're gonna head straight to the next course where we will be learning how to create a mobile app without any programming and coding skill. Before I continue this video, let me explain something to you. If you don't know how to create a mobile application, you don't have any programming skill, you don't have any coding skill, there is a way out. What actually discourages a lot of us from going into mobile advertising revenue, it's because of the hassle of creating mobile application. But there is a good news. We have a different ways of creating mobile application without any coding skill. Without wasting much of your time on this video, I'm going to introduce you to two websites. Now the first website is the platform where we only create our mobile application without coding skill. And the second website, I'm going to show you where you can get this open source application where you edit, rename, and make the application becomes yours. So let's get straight down to a website known as Thunkable. From my Google here, I'm gonna enter thunkable.com so we see what Thunkable is all about. Now looking at this screen here, you can see a Thunkable website. Build your own apps. Thunkable enables anyone to create beautiful and powerful mobile app. So what you need to do when you enter Thunkable website, you're just gonna go straight to login. Now you can log in to Thunkable website using your Google account, but when you are logging into Thunkable, I recommend you use Classic platform down below. So welcome to Thunkable Classic Android. So you go straight ahead and sign in with your Google account. Alright, so I'm gonna sign into Thunkable using my Google account here. Here we are on Thunkable. Now after logging into your Thunkable account, this is what you're gonna see. Alright, so you learn to build your first 10 apps, Thunkable beginners app, but you are gonna skip this. Click on watch later. Since we have no knowledge about building apps with Thunkable, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to show you how to create app with Thunkable, but I will only introduce you to where you can have open source application and games, high quality mobile application and games, where you edit, put your own name, change the background, and you have your own mobile applications. So on Thunkable here, you can see create new app. You can rename the app, but that is not what we are going to do because we are not here to start creating Thunkable application. So the next website I'm going to introduce you to It's a website called junkablefiles.tk. So we're gonna go straight down to junkablefiles.tk. This is where you get open source application. Remember, like I said, open source applications are the apps and game that has already been built by someone else. So all what you are going to do is to change the application name, change the background. You can see a lot of open source applications. Like here you have WhatsApp status app AIA. AIA is the file extension for Chunkable, that is open source application. So you can see other application down here. You can see games. Okay, so scrolling down, you can see next. So junkablefiles.tk have a lot of apps and games, open source, where you can actually download any of them, rename it, render it, and the apps becomes yours. So I'm gonna go ahead right now to download one apps and one game to show you a typical example on how to get your own apps and games. So right now, let me look for one application here to see. Okay, I'm gonna go to next page here. Okay, you can see application. All right, so let me download the bitmade application AIA files. I'm heading straight down here to download the AIA file. So I'm downloading bitmade AIA file to my computer. If you notice this app, it comes with a file extension known as .aia. It means it's a chunkable file extension that can only work on chunkable platform. So I'm going straight down to chunkable here. You come down to your apps, upload legacy app project, that is the AIA from my computer. Upload app project AIA from my computer. So you just go right here to upload a project. So I will be uploading the project bitmade. So as you can see, bitmade.aia. I will go ahead to open it, and then you OK it. AIA file that was downloaded into our computer has now been added to our chunkable interface. So what do we do from here? Looking at this screen, you can see a screen of your Android mobile phone, and the next thing you're gonna do here is for you to notice the screen. On the screen here, it becomes the total screen. If you click on this web viewer, you can see the properties here: follow link, the height, the width, home page. If you click on height here, you can also see the properties. Under the image here, you can also change this bitmap picture here if you want to edit it. Coming to clock here, you can see the time interval the application it's gonna be running. Down here you can see your AdMob ads unit, where I'm gonna show you how to add your ad unit later in this course. So all what you need to do here, you can come here and add the property of your application. We can say the application is developed by Sam. Alright, so you have your application down here. Remember, it's an AIA file, so whatever you are editing here, the application becomes your own. Everything has already been set. Now this is the design view. If you come to the blocks view, you're gonna see how the blocks was built. So since we're not gonna concentrate on this, what we are gonna do is for us to work on the design page. The blocks here has already been built by the person who uploaded the AIA file. So under your design here, you can choose to edit the background color. Coming here, you can see the background color here, red. If I choose to change the background color, I'm going to choose any color from here, and you can see the background color has been changed. So what you need to do from now, if you have any AdMob to input, you go ahead and input your ads unit. So let me log into my AdMob account. I'll be logging into my AdMob account and then add my ad unit. So don't forget, we had already created, I already showed you how to create ad unit. So what we're gonna do from here, we go ahead, add unit from here, bring the ad unit. Don't forget the previous course, I told you the difference between banner ad unit and the interstitial ad unit. So the ad unit we are going to present here is interstitial ad unit. So if you want to add your ad unit, this is where we get our ad unit. You come to experimental here, you can see we have two different ad units here, AdMob banner, AdMob interstitial. So if I'm going to add AdMob banner, I'm going to just drag it and put to anywhere I want the ads to run. But we are going to be working on interstitial ad unit, because based on the application interface, interstitial ad unit is best recommended. So from here, I'm going to copy my interstitial ad unit. Alright, come down here, delete the ad unit that was there, and paste your ad unit. Now what I want you to understand about this property, you shouldn't allow this to be on test mode. If it's on test mode, you're not gonna earn any revenue. So you always make sure that your ad unit is not on test mode. So we go ahead and remove test mode. So let's go straight down here and see how we're gonna make this application become our own application. So you come down to export, you can see I've saved this APK to my computer. So we are exporting our bitmap APK application to make it work and compatible with Android operating system. So vidmate APK file is ready. Remember, the file extension for Android operating system is APK. So we've been able to convert the AIA file, that is the open source file, to APK file that will make it work with Android device. So we go ahead here and save our app. So here we are. We can now copy our app. We can now copy our app to our Android device, and boom, it works perfectly. So that is how you get application without any coding skill. So if you need more apps, don't hesitate to come down to chunkablefiles.tk. You're gonna find thousands of apps, thousands of games where you can download. They are open source and free, so you can get it, edit whatever you want to edit, render it to APK, input your ads unit, share your application or games, and that is how you're gonna make money from Android AdMob without any knowledge of programming skill. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this video. The next thing we are going to look at on this course is on how we will get a Google Play Store developer account. Before I start this video, I want you to understand what Google Play Store account is all about. Just like the way we have different markets, different stores offline, that is how we have different markets when it have to do with our mobile applications. Google Play Store is more like a market or more like a store, just like the way the name implies. And we have different alternatives to Google Play Store account. But on this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Google Play Store account first, and I will also show you how to get other market app store account. And if you are on a budget, I recommend you use other app store account, because Google Play Store account charges you $25 one-time fee. But if you are on a budget, you can always use other market app store account. So I will recommend you to two good alternative to Google Play Store account. But before then, let me show you how you will get a Google Play Store account. A lot of people get confused when looking for how to get Google Play Store account, but on this video I will give you the direct link on how to sign up with Google Play Store account. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get straight to the business. Alright, on my browser here, I'm going to introduce you to this link, direct link to Google Play Store account as a developer. Remember, we are going to upload our mobile application to Google Play Store account. So we go ahead here on this link on my screen, play.google.com/apps and then /publish. So this link will take you directly to Google Play Store console account. Now before then, you just have to log in with your Google account. So let me go ahead and log in with one of my Google accounts here. Sorry guys, I'm using a random different Google account on this video call, so please, whichever Google account I'm logging in with, whatever you are seeing on the screen is just for the purpose of this video course. So I will go ahead here to log in with one of my Google accounts just to give you an overview of how the Play Store looks like. Alright, so looking at my screen here, I am now logging to my Google account and I am redirected with this link here to Google Play Store console. Now this console is mainly for developers, for apps developer. If you have a mobile app and you want to put it up on Google Play Store, this is the direct link how you're gonna sign up with Google Publisher Play Store account. So here you can see on my screen I am logging to an email here, but I don't have a developer account. So from your email address, what you're gonna do here next is to sign in with a different or create a new AdSense account. But I have already signed in with a Google account, and the first option here has been confirmed that I am logging to a Google account, and I have accepted the developer agreement. The next thing you're gonna do here is to continue to payment. Okay, sorry, you have to agree here and continue to payment. Just like I said earlier on, Google Play Store account charges a one-time fee of $25 US. So if you have $25 US and you are willing to sign up as a publisher, as a developer with Google Play Store, good and fine. But if you are on a budget, I'm going to recommend you to two most popular sites, that is like kind of Google Play Store alternative. So when you pay your one-time fee of $25 to Google Play Store, you are now eligible to upload your mobile application. Remember the application, the apps that you downloaded, the APK file, you're gonna follow the instructions. Preferably you check online, or you can check YouTube, Google on how step by step on how to publish your mobile application. Okay, so the next video I'm going to introduce you to two alternatives to Google Play Store account. See you on the next video. What's up guys, welcome back to this video. The next topic on this video course, the last but not the least, I'm just going to summarize this video course by showing you how to get your first 500 installed in 7 days. It is possible to get your first 500 installed in 7 days. Like I said on the previous video, if you are on a budget and you cannot pay for Google Play Store account, like I said, you pay a one-time fee of $25 US. So if you can pay for Google Play Store account, I promise to share with you other Play Store accounts that you can actually market and advertise your mobile application. So the two best alternative to Google Play Store account is The first one, you can market, I just gonna make it three. You can market your mobile application with Amazon. Okay, by the time of filing this video, I was trying to upload one of my app to Amazon Underground, but that's notwithstanding, if you google developer.amazon.com, all right, I'm gonna head you straight to the website developer.amazon.com. You can actually sign up with Amazon Underground. Publish your mobile application is totally free of charge. Without wasting much of your time, for the sake of this video, I would recommend you to Google or check on YouTube on how to publish your mobile application on Amazon Underground. The next website I'm going to introduce you to, you can also market your mobile application to getjar.co. Getjar.co is also a free mobile market website where you can actually, Getjar made a mistake. Getjar.mobi. So Getjar.mobi, it's another platform where you can market your mobile application free of charge. So when you log into Getjar.com, you head straight down here and come for developer account. With the developer account, you can see what Getjar says here. With over 3 million downloads a day, publishing on Getjar makes sense. So Getjar is a very good and best alternative to Google Play Store, where you can actually market your mobile application and get over 500 installed within 7 days. You can also market your mobile application with the website called slideme.org. Slideme.org, it's another good alternative for mobile application developers, where you can publish your application and get a lot of installed. So slideme.me can also help you to market your mobile application. Believe me guys, I've tested this, it has worked for me. Market your Android application within 7 days, you are sure of getting more than 500 installed on your app. Alright, so slideme.org, you can actually see different mobile application and games that are actually being marketed on the website. So from here, you are sure of making a whole lot of money from Google AdMob account, because by the time you have a lot of installed on your app, the more you get revenue from Google AdMob account.